Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know it has been long, so sorry about that. So today we will be looking at ROS services and parameters, as well as how to use the ROS service and ROS param command line tools. So what is ROS service? ROS service is another way by which nodes can communicate with each other. It involves a client which sends a request to the server and wait for a response from the server. And the first thing is the client send a request, and for example, the request might be what is the current position of the robot, and the server will send back a response. Oh, the robot is 2 meters to the right and 5 meters to the left, and that's just how our service works. And unlike the publisher and subscriber, the communication between client and the server is synchronous. Here we are at the ROS wiki page, and the first thing I would like us to do is to open our turtle sim node in the terminal because we are going to be using it. So let us first look at the ROS service command. And we can see these are the ROS service command we can use to explore any particular service. We have the info, which brings information about the service. We have the list, which returns the active services and the other ones. Let's take a look at the current services, current active services. And we can see there are two services related to the ROS out node, and we have about 9 services related to the turtle sim node. And let's take a closer look at the clear service, and we can see the service is empty, which means it takes no argument when called. And what it does is it's basically just clearing the background of the turtle sim node. So let's take a look. Then the service name is clear. You can see it's clear the background of our turtle sim node. Another service we can look at is the span service, and the span service allows you to span a new turtle at a given location and orientation. And you can see it accepts 4 parameters: the x, the y, and theta, which are to specify the position, and then the name of the new turtle. So let's go ahead and span the new turtle. So ROS traffic. Then we have to call the service, which is span. Then the x, let's say 0. Then the y, let's say, then our theta, let's go with 0.2. And you can choose to name the turtle, or you can just leave it for the turtle sim to create one for you. But we are going to name it anyways. So let's name it my turtle. Okay, let's find that. And we can see there's a new turtle on the turtle sim node. And that is how you span a new turtle. And this brings us to the next service we are going to be looking at, the kill service. And the kill service allows us to remove or delete any specified turtle. For example, the turtle we just created, we can remove it by using the kill command. So let's go ahead and look at how it works. So ROS service, then the keys, hospital, then the key service. Then we specify turtle we want to remove, which is my turtle, which is one we created earlier. So, you can see turtle is no more there. So moving forward, the next thing we are going to be looking at is the ROS param. And ROS param allows you to store and manipulate data on the ROS parameter server. And we can see these are the commands you can use with ROS param. We have the set, we have the get, load, dump, delete, and the rest. Now, if you look at the current parameters on the param server, you can see the turtle sim has 3 parameters on the param server, which are for the background color. And we can use the ROS param set to change the background of the turtle sim node. Let's take a look. Set, then the background we want to the param we want to change, background. Then let's change the coin. Let's say 180, and we have to call the clear service in order for the change to take effect. So let's go ahead. And we can see the background of our turtle sim node has changed. Let's say we want to get the value of the red background. We can use ROS param get to do that. Get, then the red background, and you can see the value is 60 now. So that will be all for this video. I hope you have learned something. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.